If equipped, the My Sky open air roof system can retract just like a sunroof, or you can remove both panels and enjoy even more of the great outdoors. You'll find the controls in the overhead console. Use the larger control to open and close the panel. Use the smaller control to vent the panel. To completely remove the front panel, make sure that it's not retracted back and is completely closed. From inside the passenger compartment, insert the supplied key into the latch keyhole. Now, rotate the key toward the symbol to release the lock. The handle will pop into the unlocked position. Remove the key, pull downward, and swing the panel handle to the roof. Now, slide the panel out of its track. From outside the vehicle, completely remove the panel and store it in the roof panel bag, located in the cargo area. If you would like to remove the rear panel, repeat this process and store the panel in the roof panel bag. To ensure the safety of your passengers and cargo, strap the bag to the tie-downs located in the back of the cargo area. To install the panels, start with the rear one. Place it correctly on its track and gently align the panel with the colored guide tabs to ensure the panel is closed properly from inside the passenger compartment. The rear panel is labeled with the blue guide tabs and the front panel is labeled with the yellow guide tabs. Now swing the panel handle until you hear it click to lock it in place. To make sure that the panel has been properly refitted, push up on the panel in order to verify that it is properly hooked up to the respective clamping locks. To install the front panel, repeat this process. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.